Welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about 15 best and easy online jobs for students with zero investment. Looking for ways to earn money while pursuing your studies? Online jobs for students are a perfect solution. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or gain valuable work experience, online jobs provide flexibility and real-world skills. Let's dive into everything you need to know about online jobs for students. Benefits of online jobs for students. Online jobs for students offer incredible benefits. These jobs are like paid training, especially for freshers, allowing you to learn and earn simultaneously. They offer flexibility. You can work part-time, create your own schedule, and pick jobs that align with your interests. All you need to get started is a computer, a stable internet connection, and the desire to work. How much can students earn with online jobs in India? Wondering how much you can earn? Students working part-time online jobs in India can earn anywhere between 10,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees per month. The key is consistency and originality. These jobs are accessible, flexible, and don't require any investment to start. Popular online jobs for students in India. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, freelance writing is an excellent way to earn money. From blog posts to web content, this job allows you to work on diverse projects. With freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can find clients who need articles, essays, or creative writing. 2. Blogging. Blogging is a long-term online job option. Start your own blog, share your thoughts, and eventually monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. This option is perfect for creative students looking to share their perspectives on topics they're passionate about. 3. Online tutoring. Good at teaching? Online tutoring allows you to help other students in subjects you excel at. Platforms like Chegg, Vedantu, and TutorMe make it easy to connect with students across the world, helping them learn while you earn. 4. Virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you'll help businesses and entrepreneurs with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, and data entry. It's a highly flexible job that requires strong organizational skills, making it ideal for students who can multitask. 5. Social media management. If you love social media, consider becoming a social media manager. You'll help businesses and influencers grow their online presence by managing their accounts, creating content, and engaging with followers. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer make it easy to manage multiple accounts at once. 6. Graphic design. If you have a knack for design, freelance graphic design is a great option. Create logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics for clients. Popular platforms like Fiverr and Canva can help you get started. 7. Data entry jobs. Data entry jobs are simple and flexible. You'll work on entering information into databases or spreadsheets. This is an excellent option for students looking for a straightforward, low-stress job. 8. Transcription jobs. Transcription jobs involve listening to audio files and typing them out. This job requires fast typing skills and attention to detail, making it a great fit for students with good concentration. 9. Customer service jobs. Many e-commerce and tech companies hire remote customer service representatives. If you're good at communication and problem solving, this job allows you to assist customers with their questions and concerns, all from the comfort of your home. 10. Content creation for YouTube. Have a talent or skill you want to share with the world? YouTube content creation can be highly lucrative. Whether it's educational content, tutorials, or entertainment, build your audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 11. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's an easy way to make passive income through social media platforms, blogs, or websites. 12. Freelance video editing. If you have video editing skills, there's high demand for freelance video editors. From YouTube videos to corporate promos, clients need editors to make their content shine. This job is perfect for students interested in media production. 13. App or website testing. App and website testing jobs require you to use and review new software or websites to provide feedback on user experience. It's a simple yet engaging way to earn money by helping companies improve their digital platforms. 14. Online surveys and paid research. Completing online surveys or participating in paid research studies can earn you quick money. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer students the chance to make extra cash just by sharing their opinions. 15. Sell handmade products online. If you're creative and love making handmade items, selling crafts online is a great option. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell your handmade jewelry, artwork, and other products to a global audience. College students can easily opt for online jobs without sacrificing their studies. Whether it's working part-time or taking up internships, online jobs add valuable work experience and enhance your resume. Internshala, Naukri, and LinkedIn are great places to find these opportunities. In conclusion, online jobs for students offer a fantastic way to earn extra income, gain work experience, and develop valuable skills. From freelance writing to virtual assistants, there are plenty of options that fit your schedule and interests. The key to success is dedication and time management. Start exploring today and make the most of these opportunities. Like and subscribe for more such content.